Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to show you a 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Now, this car is an absolute great example of a 67 Firebird convertible. Golden color with gold interior. This particular car has a 326 V8 4-barrel engine. This car has a lot of factory options on it. It has power steering, power brakes. It also has factory air conditioning, factory power top, factory center console. And the miles on this car they show 43,123 miles, and the previous owner on this car believes those miles to be correct. Now, this car has probably had one repaint, and I'd say it's probably been done for 20 years. It still looks great. It still shows great. A couple little minor imperfections on it that I'll be glad to point out to you. Has a couple small little scuffs right here. One small little touch up there. It does have, let's see, a couple small little chips. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it's very, very nice car. It runs and drives great. The door jambs are very nice. I would call this car a survivor that's had one repaint, is what I would call this car. The door panels are nice. Bottom of the doors are in good shape. It's just an absolute beautiful car. I just drove it down here and just simply amazed on how nice this car runs, drives, and sounds. I will have some pictures of the car, and I'll take some pictures of the undercarriage, and I'll also post them on my website as well. Let's open the hood here. Factory hood tack too. There we go. 326 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes, and factory air. About as stock could look underneath the hood. I'm not sure of any of the engine history on this car, whether it's been rebuilt or gone through at all. I'm not sure. It runs excellent, drives good. I'll show you the other side of the door jamb. The chrome bumpers are in good shape in the car. All the bright work and stainless in the car looks nice as well. Your trim around your windows. Dash pad's in good shape. Some of your door seals are a little dry. I noticed the trunk seal's a little bit dry on it. But that's stuff that you guys can, if you feel like you want to put those on or put new ones on, that's something that the customer, whoever buys the car, probably loves doing that kind of stuff, enjoys it. Kind of tinkering with the car. That's kind of half the fun of owning one of these classic cars. None of these cars are perfect. You can go buy a $200,000-$300,000 car and have it not be perfect. This is my kind of car though. A true survivor, 67 Firebird convertible with low miles, loaded with options. This is my kind of car. Runs with the click of the key. The wipers work, the headlights work, the horn works. I'm not going to guarantee that radio, but hell, the glove box light even works. Does have a power top too, and the power top works. I didn't fasten that boot all the way on there because I didn't feel like stretching it all out by myself and putting all them, snapping all them clips in there, but you get the idea. Feels like the cigarette lighter even works. Tail lights, turn signal. license plate light. Gorgeous 67 Firebird. You don't see that many 67 Firebirds, you see a lot of 68 Firebirds. I asked my dad how come that is, and got one headlight out there, you see. Sometimes you can tap on them, they'll come back. That's what we do here at Kenyon Classics. I go through these cars with you, we'll drive them, we'll look at them, we'll inspect them, and if there's something wrong with them, I'll tell you. Have a full gauge package there in the dash. Oil pressure is good. The temperature gauge, charging gauge, gas gauge works. The heater works. Sorry if that's a little bumpy there. I was trying the heat out. Heater works. Even the defrost works. I'm telling you what, this is a great car. Somebody's gonna get a great deal on a great car. I'm gonna price this car at $42,900, I do believe. And somebody's gonna get a really, really nice car. A real quality car, guys and girls. Kenyon Classic Cars, www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory on a daily basis. So give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 67 Pontiac Firebird convertible or one of the other cars that we have in stock. www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Please follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way we get as many people looking at these classic cars as possible. We love the interaction with folks. We love talking to people. Just be nice, people. Don't be rude. If you have some rude comment to say, just don't even say it. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoyed talking with you all this morning, and I'll talk to you soon.